Hoy, andyan ka pala. And nandito na naman ako. And today I'm so excited because one of my friends actually sold a plant on her Instagram story. And I got it and it's here. And it's from Janai. So, tara! Okay, so she mailed this yesterday, and it's on express mail, 1-day delivery, and USPS delivered. It wasn't delayed. It came here around before 11 in the morning, but I was at work, so I'm just so excited to actually go home and open this. So we're gonna do this with the scalpel. Open, and yes, Jenny, I'm gonna tag her. What do you call that? Her Instagram link down below. I have gotten plants from her before. This is not the first time, and I tell you guys, she's one of those people who actually make you feel special because she wraps stuff and she makes it pretty, unlike me, I don't. Okay, so she wrapped it like this, as you can see here. Whoops, something fell. Thank you card. Oh, that's cool. There's like a QR code for her Instagram. Maybe you can QR code it here. And I bought one plant, but I can see here that there are 3 plants. Oh, and there's a gift. Aww, little butterfly clips. So she gave me this as gifts. So like, you know, orchid or plant clips that you can use as the tendril there. We're gonna put it here. I get a ladybug that eats mealybugs. There you go. And then more butterflies. And how is my hair looking? Oh, a dragonfly. Put it there. Another butterfly and another. Maybe Jill will like this. I'll give it to her later. Okay, let's open this up. Which one do I open first? Maybe let's open this one first. Okay, I look crazy. But, oh well. It's okay. Crazy fun. People, let me open this one first. Are you guys excited? Have you? I don't know. I'm always excited, you know, to come home. Not just because of plants, but because of my daughter. And also, it's so much different when you come home to a box. But you know, there's a box. Look at this. Oh. Okay. Oh, and it's in pawn. What? Hoya. I guess it's a Hoya because it looks like a. Oh, it's long. Look at this, you guys. I've never heard of this one. It's a Rostelliata from Mei Hong Son. What is that? From China, maybe? No. Okay, I'm gonna refrain from saying that. That's kind of mean. But yeah. It reminds me of almost a rotundiflora, but this one has a water tip, a drip tip. You see that? It's almost like a hook. And it's so long, and it's in pawn, and I see roots. So Hoya Rostelliata from Mei Hong Son. I'm gonna insert a picture of it here. Very beautiful. That's one. Hopefully another one here. So I only paid for one plant, and she said, oh, another gift. So basically she gave. How come the other one didn't say gift? But obviously it's not the plant that I paid for because I'm not even familiar with it. Oh, it's wet. Oh, I think it's because of the container of the, what do you call that? Oh, I already have the name tag here. The pond. Oh, Jen, look at this. This is Hoya Spa Pahang, a species from a place called Pahang. And it's so veiny and it's sturdy. And I see roots. It's always good when you see roots when you get the plant. Hoya. Hoya Pahang. I'm gonna try to look a picture of its blooms because I'm not really familiar with this one, as well as with the Rosteliata from something Hormone. Yeah. So thank you, Jenner. I don't know. I like saying her name like that. I'm sure you don't pronounce it like that. And then I'm assuming since those two are not the ones that I bought, this is the one that I bought. I did buy this before, but it died. Yeah. So I'm gonna try again. And also at the same time, it's from a reputable seller. So I know that she's not gonna dupe me. So even if it's not cheap or like again, like cheap or expensive or like affordable is very subjective. Are you ready? Am I ready? I'm not ready. Ta-da! So this is a Hoya Wilbur Graves. Hoya Carnosa basically. So it's a Carnosa. Yeah. So I think the difference of this one from other splashy Carnosas is that it has more rounder leaves. Or is this the one from China? I have no idea. But this one, it was sold to her from Thailand. Hoya Wilbur Graves. And it's cute. So as you can tell, it is splashy. You may think, oh, it just looks like a pubicalyx. Or I do have a splashy pubicalyx here at the back. Those are gorgeous, like silvery leaves. I'm gonna insert a picture of it here or a little video clip. And the difference is the elongation of the shape of the leaves. I guess that's the difference. But the blooms, most likely it'll be all the same because they're all Carnosa. And pubicalyx, I haven't seen blooms of pubicalyx actually. Yeah, but they're very prolific flower. Wilbur Graves though, as far as I know, genus Wilbur Graves is to die for. It's almost like just silvery and all. And it's growing so fast. So hopefully mine will copy genus. So yeah, these are the plants that I got tonight or today. Whoa. And they're all in pond. Cheers. Cheers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am very excited. I was and still am to go home and open this box. And especially again, just like what I said, it's from my friend Jenny. And yeah, she did not disappoint me. I did tell her she was gonna she was letting me choose which Hoyas to include as gifts. But I'm like, every time she asks me, I feel bad because I'm like, I have it already. I have that already. So I just told her, surprise me. And yes, she did so good. I don't have those two yet. Well, I don't have these three yet. So yeah, I think it's a good unboxing. Don't you think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think with these Hoyas that I got. And have you ever heard of these Hoyas? Well, not the Wilbur Graves, but the other two Hoyas, because I have not. Hoya Rosteliata from May Hong Son and Hoya Pahang. Yeah, have you? I haven't. Follow us on Instagram at Julians_plant_corner. Kita tayo next time. And I pray and hope that you will always be blessed.